just wanted to do another quick update about my Micro Cube by Roland. I've updated its lid. It used to be this pencil case stuck to the top, but it died in a crash. Although it saved all the electronics, so it did its job. The whole point of this was I use these extra things on my amp, like extra effects, processing, and batteries, and the case helps not only have a storage space for those things, but also protect everything in the process. So I just used the existing screws that are already on the amp, just like last time, pulled them out, marked where I need to drill out and cut out, and yeah, slapped it on. And this is a much more robust case this time. Uh, I'm confident this could take several falls, and it even kind of has the same texture. But yeah, I used to have those electronics just like Velcro to the top of the amp, totally exposed, wires everywhere. And this is just a much neater way of doing things. I actually just measured the top of the amp, went on Amazon, I was like, show me cases in those dimensions. And it actually fits perfectly the top. I actually just have it overhanging the back instead. That way it kind of like creates a little bit of a bump out to protect all the things on the back of the amp, like this headphone amp here that boosts my microphone, and this battery that powers the amp. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked about how this is going so far. I just got to get some new cables that'll be able to reach things better, so I can have everything a little more neat. But yeah, look at that. It looks like it comes that way.